Ever wondered where that plane overhead is coming from or going to? Let's uncover the secret flight paths hidden within Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you have the standard map view selected, not satellite view, for the best experience. Next, type the departure and arrival airport in the search bar. I am going to search for a flight from John F. Kennedy Airport to LAX Airport. Google Maps will show the airport details on the left side and pinpoint them on the map. Click on the departure airport from the side panel. On the airport's detail panel, select directions. You should see the departure airport is pre-filled as your starting point. Now, click on the destination input box. Do the same thing with your destination airport. Click on the destination airport from the side panel to fill the destination input. Now, this is the key step. By default, Google Maps gives driving, public transit, or walking directions. Ignore these options for now. Look for the airplane icon. It may be hidden among other icons, so scroll through all available travel methods until you find it. Click on it. Voila! Google Maps now displays available flight routes between your chosen airports. Keep in mind that these are approximations and actual flight paths may vary due to weather conditions, air traffic control, and other factors. Explore different departure times to see if the route changes. You can also zoom in and out to better understand the trajectory relative to geographical features. Now you can track all flights and find routes easily. Subscribe for more Google Map tips.